Hi everyone, this is Paul Lange with Disciplined Trading Strategies with this week's Trade of the Week video. This week ending 7/6 of 2025, and this week we're doing a long-term position trade. I haven't done that in a while, so this is not a day trade from the day trading room, but rather a long-term position that is issued to members that receive the long-term trader letter. The entry date of this position was April 23rd of 2025. The stock was AI. The strategy was based on a weekly major support and a daily bull 180. The entry is on a 60-minute DTS sell setup failure pattern and management long term, of course. Target 1, reward to risk 11 to 1, 11.1 to 1. Target 1 was the only target taken so far. The rest of it is still open. Before we get to the details of the trade, this week is the bi-weekly scanning night for free members at DTS. If you're not a member, come join us. Go to the DTS website and you can see where you can become a free member. We do this every other week. It's not recorded. It's a fun night. I share with you my watch list for long term, and you can also give me your ideas and suggestions, and I will comment on them. Then Wednesday this week is the DTS educational event. This one is called Chart Lessons. I haven't done one of these in quite a while, so come join us. It's a fun educational night, and it'll be about different aspects of technical analysis. You can read the slide there if you want more information. On with the trade. So this is what members that subscribe to the long-term trader get, is an email like this, the stock, the entry, etc. And this particular trade did trigger the day that it was issued, long over 2110, stop under 2040. You'll notice by the profit at target 1 and by the rather small size of that stop, my style for long-term is more of an aggressive, high reward to risk trading style, not worried about the batting average, worried about getting nice money from the winners. Aggressive entries on some of these. So this was an 11 to 1 reward to risk. The target one was hit in 5 weeks. 1/3 was closed of that number. I want to be clear, that's the total profit of the total trade at $1,000 risk at the time target 1 was taken. Only target 1 was taken, so 1/3 of that was booked and 2/3 is still open. The position since then has dropped a little bit, but I also added to it. I'm not going to go into that part of it, but for this trade here, just to be clear on what the numbers are. This is the weekly chart, though, is the original basis for the trade. As we came into this area, major support right there, became on my watch list and looking for an entry. A key there was coming over that red bar on the weekly chart. That was the indication that that was going to be a good bottom. Daily chart, here's that little bull 180 right in here that happened, and then we wait for the next entry point. Really could have been in a day earlier probably, but waited to that day there. Entry, 2061 stop, 1979. And target 1 right there, got lucky. That was the call target, and we just hit it that day. Target 2 and 3 still open. 60-minute chart, the exact entry ended up coming right there as we went over that little topping tail bar there on the hourly chart. You can see the numbers off to the left again if you missed them before. So the rest of that position open. It's been a little disappointing because it hasn't really rallied as much as the market. This is kind of a market type trade for me on this, but it's doing really well, and hopefully we'll get a nice pop here. It had a nice move the last couple of days for the remaining part of the position. If you like trades like this is not the trading room. You need to subscribe to the DTS Long Term Trader. You can find out more about it by going to the home page and clicking on the subscription services tab right there on the left. If you enjoy videos like this, check out the DTS Free Stuff page where you can see other Trade of the Week videos and also prior educational events that have been recorded for you if you're a free member at DTS. If day trading is more your style, come join us in the DTS trading room. Until next time, this is Paul for DTS. Good trading, everybody.